Hi, I'm Veronica. I'm a project manager and I give AVS Video Editor a 3 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. So I use AVS Video Editor software to create content for our internal and external communications. We group together a series of video clips, have a nice way to group them together, add music, add features, and edit the videos and send them out to our clients and members. I liked about AVS Video Editor how easy it was to install, get it up and running on my laptop. And then the features, there were some great features, and adding those effects was a lot of fun to play around with. And you could layer all the different layers of the video, whether it be the images, the music content, the audio files, and other effects. And you can all see them in one easy to view platform. What I didn't like about AVS Video Editor was the fact that as the effects that you could search were really neat, a lot of them were with an added cost. So for paid software, I would have loved to have a greater array of effects available for free.